Introducing the 2019 Honda Ridgeline. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, a bedliner, and a blind spot monitoring system. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.